Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the Flipkart affiliate program. Okay guys, it's really actually easy and simple. So once you become an affiliate, you're going to be able to promote their products and earn a commission every time a user clicks on your link or banner, usually up to 20%. So it's actually really easy and simple, but first thing why I'm showing you this screen right now is you cannot become an affiliate by using the Flipkart, the normal Flipkart website where you do shopping. You need to come on Google and just search Flipkart affiliate program, okay? And just click on the first link that pops up, okay? Click on this link, and then you need to click on the register and start your account, okay, guys? So this is before I have registered. So first you need to register, and then you will be able to earn commission. As you can see here, you can use a bunch of different tools. So you're gonna see this. Usually they take 1, 2, 3 business days to approve you, and you need some requirements, guys. So you need to have either a website, a blog, or a social media account at least with a significant amount of traffic or followers. Okay. Of course, you need a valid email and phone number and a bank account to receive your payments. And of course, you need to be at least 18 years old, guys. So once you do that, you can use the API and link their products to your websites. There's different ones. But yeah, guys, basically it will take about 1 to 3 days, and once you're done, you will have to verify your account. Once you get accepted, you will have to verify your account. So what they're gonna do, you will need to they'll ask you to fill in your PAN card and your bank details for further verifications. And after that, you'll be done with the verification process, and then within a few days, they'll notify you guys. It's literally that easy and simple. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.